Alright, now let's have a look on the system logs. Here you can see, or you can capture all the logs that you get it on the Jenkins and on the system as well. So here all records, all Jenkins records. And by the way, if you return back, you can see that you can create a new log recorder as well. And here you can see all the log messages, and you can see the log levels. Let's click on all Jenkins, and as you can see, we have all the environment variable, all the logs here. If you face any trouble, any problem, you didn't see Jenkins working, you can just check the Jenkins log here from the manage Jenkins. As you can see, from manage Jenkins, from system log, any problem, any error you face, any weird behavior, just check the Jenkins logs and you will see why this is it. Okay, now here you can see that we have all the logs here, which is the same thing, and the log levels. If you want, if you want it to be info, warning, as you can see, or the adjustment level if you want. All right, so far so good.